Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an example in which we will blink a light. That means for some time it will be on and for some time it will be off. Then again on and off. So let's look at the example first. Blinking light. Make a light blink with a time interval of 2 seconds and 5 seconds. So we will start with the first one, that is the time interval of 2 seconds. That means when we turn on a switch, then LED will be on for 2 seconds and then off for 2 seconds. Then again on for 2 seconds and again off for 2 seconds. So let's move to a TI portal where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. So this is the interface of TI portal. We'll go here and then PLC tags and then default tag table. And then we need to add here inputs and outputs. We have one input and one output. We have start button, let's say 1, and then we have start button 2 for LED 2, and then we have LED 1 and then we have LED 2. So this is an output, so its address will be Q0.0, and LED2 is also an output, so its address will be Q0.1. So as now we have added our inputs and outputs, and then we will go to program blocks and main OB1. So here we will draw the ladder diagram. So firstly, I will insert a normally open contact here for start button and then a coil for LED 1. So this will be start button 1 and this will be LED 1. So this LED will be on for 2 seconds. So I will insert a timer here and it will be TP. So the preset value for this TP will be 2 seconds. And then this LED 1 should turn on after 2 seconds. So I will open the branch here and then I will insert a coil. So this coil will be a memory bit M0.0. And then this memory bit, for this we will use one more timer, that will be on delay timer. And for this the preset value will also be 2 seconds. So we will use this memory bit here as normally close contact. I will assign address to it as M0.0. And then we will use LED 1 as normally close contact here and I will select LED 1. So here when start button is turned on, the current will flow through it. This LED 1 turns on and it will remain on for 2 seconds. And after 2 seconds this LED 1 will turn off, and when this LED 1 will turn off, then this timer will start and it will go to 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds this will turn on, and then this M0.0 also gets on, and with that this M0.0 here is a normally close contact, so the current will not flow through it. As a result this M0.0 gets off. So when this gets off, the current will flow through it and this timer will again start, and as a result this LED 1 will turn on for 2 seconds, then off for 2 seconds and then on for 2 seconds. So here I will use one more network. So for LED 2 there will be a time interval of 2 seconds. So this will be switch start button 2, then a coil for LED 2 and then a timer for this, as it will be on for 5 seconds. I will insert TP. So the preset value for this will be 5 seconds. And then it should remain on for 5 seconds also. For that I will open the branch here, insert a coil, and this will be memory bit. So I will assign address to it as M0.1, and this M0.1 gets on after 5 seconds. So for that I will preset the value as 5 seconds. But this timer should run when LED2 is off. So for that, I will insert a normally closed contact here for LED2. So I will select LED2 and this M0.1 will be used here to once again turn on the LED2. It will be used as normally closed contact. So this will be M0.1. So similarly, this start button is turned on, LED2 gets on for 5 seconds and after 5 seconds this M0.1 gets through. When it gets through, this gets off and when it gets off, this timer will again start and LED2 will turn on for 5 seconds. Then again for 5 seconds off, then again on for 5 seconds. So let's start the simulation here. After that, I will start CPU, OK, and then start monitoring. And after that, we need to switch to project view where we will create a new project. I will create a new project, click on create, and let's wait for some time. After that, I will go to simulation table and then simulation table 1. And then I will right click here and load project tags. So here are our inputs, start button 1, start button 2 and outputs LED1, LED2. So when I turn on start button 1, so as you can see here, this LED2 gets on for 2 seconds and off for 2 seconds. On for 2 seconds, then off for 2 seconds, then again on for 2 seconds, off for 2 seconds, on for 2 seconds, and off for 2 seconds. And similarly, when I turn on switch 2, the LED2 will turn on for 5 seconds and off for 5 seconds. On for 5 seconds, off for 5 seconds. On for 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then off for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then again on for 5 seconds. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.